boat Looker 320, a unique glass bottom experience. The Looker 320 is a modern, high-speed glass bottom boat designed for both leisure and professional use. Perfect for tourism, diving expeditions, and marine observation, this vessel offers an exciting and unique way to explore underwater worlds. Its sleek, futuristic design stands out, but what makes it truly special is the large, transparent, hydrofoil-like hull. This feature provides excellent underwater visibility. The advanced shape of the boat minimizes water turbulence, giving passengers crystal-clear views of marine life and seabed landscapes, even while cruising at high speeds. Powered by a reliable outboard engine, the Looker 320 can reach speeds of up to 50 knots, making it perfect for quick trips between observation points. The boat can comfortably accommodate up to 22 passengers, making it ideal for small group tours or private expeditions. Built from lightweight yet durable high-strength aluminum alloys, the Looker 320 combines speed with reliability. It offers a thrilling, smooth ride while ensuring passengers get an unforgettable glimpse into the underwater world. Mercedes Vision AVTR, a glimpse into the future of mobility. The Mercedes Vision AVTR, first revealed at CES 2020, continues to amaze with its futuristic design and advanced technology. Inspired by the movie Avatar, this concept vehicle showcases Mercedes-Benz's vision for the future of mobility, with a strong focus on sustainability, human-machine interaction, and immersive user experiences. Its revolutionary design stands out with a seamless, organic shape and no traditional doors. The vehicle also features 33 movable bionic flaps on its back, enhancing aerodynamics and allowing it to communicate with both the driver and its surroundings. Inside, the Vision AVTR offers a futuristic, nature-inspired aesthetic, using sustainable materials like vegan leather and recycled plastics. One of its most innovative features is the biometric connection between the driver and the vehicle. Instead of a conventional steering wheel, it uses a multifunctional control element that responds to the driver's hand movements and biometric data, allowing for an intuitive and personalized driving experience. The Mercedes Vision AVTR not only pushes the boundaries of vehicle design but also reimagines the way we interact with our cars. Morgan Plus 4 CXT, the ultimate off-road sports car. Introducing the Morgan Plus 4 CXT. This rugged, adventure-focused variant of the classic Morgan Plus 4 sports car was launched in 2021. It's a limited edition vehicle designed for off-road conditions while maintaining Morgan's signature style. The CXT is built on the CX generation aluminum platform. This platform offers a perfect blend of lightweight construction and rigidity, which is crucial for off-road performance. Under the hood, the CXT is powered by a 2.0-liter BMW twin-power turbo inline-4 engine. This engine produces an impressive 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox for a thrilling driving experience. To tackle rough terrains, the CXT features a bespoke suspension setup. It includes XC coilover dampers, increased ground clearance, and specialized off-road tires. This combination enhances its capability to handle challenging environments. Externally, the CXT is equipped with a protective exoskeleton that adds durability. Rally-style lights enhance visibility during adventures, and underbody protection safeguards the vehicle against rough obstacles. The rear of the vehicle features a practical cargo rack, perfect for carrying essential off-road gear. This includes space for jerry cans, a shovel, and a toolbox, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure. Inside, the Morgan Plus 4 CXT retains the classic Morgan charm with modern touches. It offers a blend of luxury and functionality, making it suitable for both daily drives and off-road explorations. The Morgan Plus 4 CXT is more than just a sports car, it's an invitation to explore the great outdoors in style and comfort. Screw Bike, a unique electric adventure. Introducing the Screw Bike. This one-of-a-kind electric bike is crafted by YouTuber and mechanical engineer James Brune. Its incredible complexity means it's unlikely to hit the market, but it stands out as an amazing feat of e-bike engineering. The Screw Bike features a self-balancing design with 4 inline Mecum wheels. These wheels are made from 3D printed parts and plywood, This unique setup allows the bike to travel in any direction and turn on a dime. While it may not be the most practical mode of transportation, it promises a lot of fun. James Brune is known for his creative projects on YouTube. He has tackled various inventions, from a walking Star Wars droid to a series of balancing robots. His charm as a video creator lies in his engaging building demonstrations and clear explanations of his process. The Screw Bike showcases the magic of engineering and creativity. It's not just a bike, it's a testament to innovation and imagination. Patrol Track Mini. Compact power for tough terrains. The Patrol Track Mini is a compact tracked vehicle designed for a variety of patrol and rescue missions. Its small size, combined with impressive off-road capabilities, makes it ideal for navigating tight and challenging terrains. Built for versatility, the Patrol Track Mini can be used in military and security operations, as well as emergency services like rescue or disaster response. Its compact design allows it to operate in areas where larger vehicles would struggle, making it a crucial tool for difficult missions. Equipped with durable tracks, this vehicle excels in harsh environments, providing enhanced stability and maneuverability. Whether it's navigating through narrow paths or overcoming rugged landscapes, the Patrol Track Mini is built to handle it all. Although recent specific details about this vehicle may be limited, its design follows a growing trend of powerful, compact off-road vehicles. These types of vehicles are increasingly valued for their ability to perform in extreme conditions, ensuring mobility where other vehicles can't go. Mega Ram Runner, the ultimate off-road machine. Introducing the Mega Ram Runner, a high-performance off-road vehicle based on the Ram 2500 platform. This vehicle is engineered to tackle the toughest terrains, offering an exceptional off-road experience. The Mega Ram Runner features a reinforced frame and heavy-duty suspension components. This robust construction allows it to handle extreme off-road conditions with ease. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful engine, typically a Cummins turbo diesel or a Hemi V8. These engines deliver outstanding torque and horsepower, making the Mega Ram Runner perfect for both off-road adventures and towing capabilities. Let's look at some key features. Advanced suspension system. The Mega Ram Runner is equipped with long travel shocks. This provides superior ride quality and handling, even on rough terrain. Wheels and tires. It comes with oversized off-road tires mounted on durable alloy wheels. This setup enhances ground clearance and traction, ensuring you can conquer any trail. Body protection. The vehicle is designed for tough environments. Skid plates, rock sliders, and reinforced bumpers protect the undercarriage and body from damage during off-road excursions. Luxurious interior. Inside, you'll find a rugged yet luxurious interior. It features premium materials, an advanced infotainment system, and comfortable seating designed for long journeys. Towing and payload capacity. The Mega Ram Runner excels in towing capabilities, making it ideal for hauling trailers or equipment alongside your adventures. The Mega Ram Runner is the perfect blend of power, durability, and luxury. Whether you're navigating rocky paths or towing heavy loads, this vehicle is ready for any challenge. Suzuki Mach-E, the future of urban mobility. The Suzuki Mach-E is a groundbreaking four-legged electric vehicle concept, revealed at the Japan Mobility Show 2023. Designed to tackle urban mobility challenges, it can navigate difficult terrains like stairs and rough surfaces, making it perfect for areas that traditional vehicles can't reach. This futuristic vehicle has three main operational modes. Chair mode allows for comfortable transport, standing mode provides more mobility flexibility, and stretcher mode is particularly useful for emergency medical transport. In stretcher mode, the vehicle can even carry patients, offering a new approach to urban healthcare solutions. But the Suzuki Mach-E isn't limited to just medical use. With customizable attachments, it can deliver packages or carry items like trash cans. This makes it a potential alternative to traditional delivery vehicles that contribute to urban pollution. The design of the Mach-E focuses on adaptability and improved mobility, making it ideal for users in city settings who face obstacles in everyday transportation. Its innovative features could revolutionize urban mobility by replacing polluting vehicles while ensuring accessibility for everyone. Xpeng Aerotes Flying Car, the future of urban mobility. The Xpeng Aerotes Flying Car is a groundbreaking electric vehicle that can both drive on roads and take to the skies. Developed by Xpeng Aerotes, a subsidiary of Xpeng Motors, it's known as the world's first fully functional flying car, merging automotive and aviation technologies into one futuristic machine. This innovative vehicle features a sleek, aerodynamic design. It drives like a regular car but can transform into a flying vehicle when needed. The flying car is powered by a combination of electric motors and rotors that allow for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. Safety is a top priority in its design. It comes equipped with multiple safety systems, including redundancies like parachute mechanisms, to ensure a secure flight. Additionally, it's integrated with Xpeng's autonomous driving and flying systems, allowing for semi-autonomous navigation both on the road and in the air. Zapata Jet Racer, a high-speed personal aircraft. The Zapata Jet Racer is an innovative flying machine designed by French inventor Frankie Zapata, who is best known for creating the flyboard. The Jet Racer is a compact, futuristic jet-like aircraft with a seat for the pilot, built for high-speed personal flight. Powered by 10 micro-turbojet engines, this flying vehicle is capable of remarkable speed and agility. It can perform vertical takeoffs and landings, VTOL, making it adaptable for different environments. The Jet Racer can reach speeds of up to 250 km per hour, about 155 miles per hour, and has a flight range of around 100 kilometers, 62 miles, depending on conditions and load. Designed for a single pilot, it is controlled by a combination of body movements and a handheld throttle, similar to the flyboard. Safety features include engine redundancies, control systems, and an emergency parachute for added protection. The Jet Racer's compact design makes it ideal for personal transportation, emergency response, and recreational use. Frankie Zapata has been actively testing and showcasing this innovative aircraft, pushing the boundaries of personal aviation. Paraves Monoracer. The Paraves Monoracer is an enclosed motorcycle designed for both efficiency and safety. It blends the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort of a car. The fully enclosed cabin keeps you protected from the weather and reduces drag, improving performance. It runs on an efficient electric motor, providing a clean and quiet ride with impressive range. One of its standout features is the retractable landing gear, which adds stability when you're stopped. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on rough roads. With its futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, the Paraves Monoracer is an excellent choice for sustainable and comfortable urban travel. Pegasus E Flying Car. The Pegasus E Flying Car is a remarkable hybrid electric vehicle that quickly transforms from a road car to a flying machine. In just 3 seconds, it shifts from helicopter mode to road mode. Designed for 1 to 4 passengers, the Pegasus has a sleek, compact structure that fits into standard parking spaces. On the road, it can reach a top speed of 75 miles per hour, with a driving range of 47 miles. Once airborne, it cruises at 81 miles per hour and covers an impressive flying range of 300 miles. It can soar to a maximum altitude of 5,906 feet, making it ideal for short-distance air travel. The Pegasus is made from lightweight carbon fiber composite, enhancing its efficiency and durability. Safety is a priority, with multiple redundant systems built in to ensure a secure ride, whether on the road or in the air. This futuristic vehicle is a game-changer for urban mobility, law enforcement, and emergency services, offering a seamless transition between air and land. Doppelmayr Electric Monorack. Revolutionizing transport on steep terrain. The Doppelmayr Electric Monorack is a Swiss-engineered solution designed for steep terrains. It's been installed in over 700 locations since its introduction in 1976. From vineyards and forests to construction sites, this versatile lifting system handles tough environments with ease. While the monorack is available in both petrol and electric versions, we'll focus on the electric model. It's specifically designed to handle gradients up to 45 degrees and navigate curves with a radius as small as 13 feet. This makes it perfect for areas that are hard to reach. The rail system can be customized and expanded based on project needs. It reduces the need for extensive foundations, keeping costs low. This flexibility makes the monorack a great solution for transporting both passengers and materials in challenging locations. The Aptera Electric Monorack is powered by a 6 kW motor. It reaches a driving speed of 2.3 feet per second and is equipped with a 3.6 kW battery. For longer operating times, the battery can be expanded. On a full charge, the monorack can climb slopes for 60 minutes under a full load. Despite its compact design, the electric monorack can carry up to 353 pounds on a 45-degree incline. This makes it a reliable solution for transporting heavy materials across steep terrain. The environmentally friendly design ensures minimal impact on the surrounding area.